Global Warming, a Nugget of Science by Marvin Cadornigara. Global warming is a long-term heating of Earth's climate system observed since the pre-industrial period between 1850 and 1900. Global warming was observed as a steady increase in the temperature around the world beginning around early 1980s. Global warming happens because the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has increased tremendously. Global warming is believed to be due to two major human activities: deforestation and combustion. Forests are considered as carbon dioxide sinks, since the trees in the forests are removing the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere by absorbing them through their leaves. When trees in the forests are cut down, there are no more forest trees that can trap the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. With deforestation, the forests that serve as carbon dioxide sinks are lost. As carbon dioxide builds up in the atmosphere, its concentration increases. A greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide in a very high concentration, traps the heat in the atmosphere, causing global warming. Combustion, on the other hand, is the process of burning fossil fuels to provide heat energy. Heat energy is needed to run machines in the factories, to run the engine of cars and vehicles, and to run different machines at home, such as the stove and the boiler. Fossil fuels are natural chemicals like coal, oil, and natural gas. When these fossil fuels are burned in factories and when driving cars, they release carbon dioxide that builds up in the atmosphere. As a greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide traps the heat of the surface of the earth, thus the temperature of the earth increases. This results to global warming. A Nugget of Science by Marvin Cadornigara.